Hi everyone, the Nbcc college application portal is open once again, and today I'm going to take you through all the documents that you need to be able to submit a successful application. Okay, so head to your Chrome browser or whichever browser that you are using, and in the search bar just type nbcc.ca. so when you type that, you would be taken straight to this interface. For you to have a successful application, you would have to also look at the application process and also the requirements. And on the Nbcc website, these application requirements are placed into various profiles. So we have profile A, profile B, profile C, profile D, profile E, profile F, and so on and so forth. Individuals that do not meet any of these categories and are above 21 years can also apply as mature applicants. To apply as a mature applicant, you first have to complete the normal online process. Then you download the mature applicant application form over here, add your CV and the relevant document if you have advanced diploma, degree, or whichever document to support your application. Add all of it, then send it to an institution through email. After they receive your email, they will acknowledge receipt of the email. Then you wait for further information from the school. Let's now go through the normal application process. On the top right corner of your browser, whether on your phone or on your laptop, you would see three stripes that has the background of the Nbcc colors. So what you have to do is you have to click on that, and when you click on that, you have a pop-up menu of various options. The options over there are programs and courses, admission and finance, why Nbcc, and the rest. So what you have to do first is you have to click on the admission and finance. Under the admission and finance, you will find another set of drop down with a list of information. Here you click on seat available. So the seat available will give you this menu that shows the seats that are available for domestic applicant. To locate that of international applicant, scroll down to the last part of the page. At the down bottom of it, you will see the option international seats available. Click on it and it will take you to the page that shows you all the programs that are available for international students to apply. Once you are on the page, I believe that you already have the programs in mind, so you scroll down through it, then select the program that you would want to pursue. Some of the programs are very competitive. With competitive programs, applicants are put on waiting list and are given admission when seats becomes available into the program. One program available for winter 2024, all programs for spring 2024 is closed, so you can only consider programs for fall 2024. I am assuming you already have the kind of programs that you would want to pursue at Nbcc. So what you have to do is you have to scroll through the programs and then select the kind of programs that you have interest to pursue at Nbcc. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the first program on the list, that is payroll administration for the fall 2024 intake. Once you click on the program of your choice, you have this pop-up which shows you whether this program is available on all the campuses of Nbcc or they are available on certain campuses. So before you proceed, you have to make sure that the program is available for international students. This is because there are multiple campuses over there, and that means that both information for domestic applicants and international applicants are on the same page. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on the specific campus and check whether the application is available for international applicants or domestic applicants, or both international applicants and domestic applicants. Once you've done that and you have the information that you need, the first thing that you have to do is you have to go through the program overview, check the duration of the program, and see if that fits your budget. Also, after that, you would see the kind of profile that you have to be able to be able to pursue the program at Nbcc, and in this case it is the profile A. So this means that if you have only senior high school qualification or your NECO exams for those applicants from Nigeria, it means that you can be able to go ahead and input your application. After this information, take your time to go through the program outlines, the course that you have to study, and also the prospective job opportunities that you can be able to do after successful completion of the application. Once you are satisfied with all the conditions over there and you meet the requirement, you should know that you have to have a better grade to be able to apply, even if you are using the senior high school certificate. After you are done with these various checks and you are okay, locate the apply now button and then click on it. You will then be redirected to the how to apply page. On the how to apply page, we have the option for domestic applicants and international applicants. We are applying as an international applicant, so we would click on apply as international applicant. If you want to apply but still you are not sure of what to do, there are 9 steps that is listed on your screen. You take your time, you go through every step to have more information about the kind of program that you are applying to, and also to help you have an informed decision. Once you are okay with it, you scroll down, then select apply online. As a new international applicant, click on register under the new international applicant. If you already have an existing account, then you have to click on login. After you've entered your user ID and password, new users must accept the terms and conditions and then input their personal details. After that, you cross-check to see if everything is correct, then you click on register. There are 6 sections of the application process: the personal information, background information, contact information, educational history, program selection, then after that, submit application. Click on submit application below and fill in all the necessary information. At the program selection part of the application, you have the opportunity to select 2 different programs under the same application. This is something that I would recommend, because if you are unable to get admission into the first program, you are likely to get your second program. So when you are making your selections, have in mind that you have to select 2 programs. Anyways, if you select one program, you are going to pay the same application fee, so it is better to select 2 programs to also have good use of your application fee and also improve your chances of getting admission into any one of them. Whenever a course is filled, it is taken out of the available courses. So it might be that you have an interest in a specific course, but the moment that you finish creating your portal and you visit that program, or you visit the list of programs that are available, you would see that that course is not displayed in the portal. That means that that course has been filled and it is full. So once it is full, they do not want people to waste their time to put in an application, so they take it out of the portal. Should your course be filled, you have to wait for the next academic year intake. As of the time of this video, applications are only available for fall 2024 at Nbcc. After you have successfully submitted your application, the next thing that you would have to do is you get an acknowledgement receipt email from Nbcc. Once you get that email, what you have to do is you have to gather your document, your senior high school certificate, your transcript. If you have a higher degree, you add it with the transcript. Then you also have to buy a WAEC or NECO scratch card and add the PIN and also all the details that would enable the school to be able to check and verify your senior high school credentials from WAEC. Once you do that, you forward it to the email address that you'll be instructed to forward it to in the acknowledgement of application email address that you will receive from Nbcc. If you do not send these informations to Nbcc, your application cannot be processed, so they will send you a follow-up email, as you see on your screen, requesting for you to add those documents for them to be able to process your application. So make sure right after you submit the application, you also send this document to them in their email. And also, if you are a mature applicant, download the mature application, fill it in, add your resume, and forward them to the admission team for them to process your application for you. Right. So these are all the steps that you would have to go through to be able to submit an application to NBCC. After you've gone through the video, if you have any difficulties, you can leave a comment in the comment box and I will be glad to respond to you and assist you with your application. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do that. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime that I upload useful videos like this, you will be able to get it and have a look at it and assist you in your journey.